Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series, and I hope you guys are consistent. You are watching all the videos, participating in these MCQs. So today the topic is the subject is environment on 24th of January. Now let us begin, and I am Divya. I am taking environment today, and other subjects we are coming up daily. We are coming up with 5 MCQs, so that you guys are consistent in your preparation, and do like us, share these videos as much as you can. These are great source of motivation for us, so that we come up with such new content for you, as well as press the bell notification, and do not forget to subscribe Vysh IAS channel, right? So we'll start with the first question. It says the consider the following statements regarding International Solar Alliance. So by now you should be knowing, at least you should be knowing the headquarter, the founders of International Solar Alliance. So the first statement says it is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. And this second statement, this initiative is mainly for the countries lying between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and the initiative was launched in Marrakesh, Morocco. Right? You have to tell here which one is the incorrect statement. Which of the statements are incorrect? So please be careful. Options are 1 and 2. B option is 1 and 3 only are incorrect. Then 1 and 2, all the statements are incorrect, or 2 and 3 are incorrect, right? So please answer the question. So your answer is actually A. I'm sorry, 1 and 3 is 3 are actually the wrong incorrect ones. It is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, and then the initiative was launched in Marrakesh. No, actually, it is answer is B. So please, there is an error here. You can rectify it. It is actually B, not A. B it is. So International Alliance is an alliance of 123 signatories countries, and it is mostly being for the sunshine countries, or they are also called as Suryaputras, because these countries lie between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and these country do not fall within. The countries which do not fall within the tropics can also join the alliance. It is not just, it is exclusively for these sunshine countries, right? So those who do not fall within tropics can also enjoy all the benefits. They can have the membership of this initiative, and but they don't have voting rights. And this initiative was actually launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So it was launched by India actually, right? At the 2015 United Nations Climate Change Conference, UNCCC, in Paris, November 2015, right? So it was launched in Paris, but the framework agreement of this ISA, International Solar Alliance, opened for signatures in Marrakesh, Morocco, right? So it was not launched in Morocco, but it was open for the signature. This framework was open for signature in Marrakesh in November 2016, and so far 102 countries have joined it, right? So it was launched in Paris actually, by India. This initiative was by India and France. Now let us move on. Second question. So here you have to do is match the following. There are biodiversity heritage sites given, and the states where they are present are given. So you have to tell which of these are correctly matched. First one is Purvatali Rai in Chhattisgarh, then Hogrekan in Andhra Pradesh, then Ashramam in Kerala, then Chilkigad Kanakdurga in West Bengal. Right? Options are 1 and 2 only, and here it is correctly matched. Okay, please keep that in mind. So 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 3 and 4 only, and 2 and 4 only. Right? So let's see the answer. Answer is actually C, that is 3 and 4 only. So 1 and 2 are actually wrong. So let's see. Hogrekan is located Chikmagalur district of Karnataka, right? And then Chilkigad Kanakdurga is located in Jhagram of West Bengal, right? Purvatali is located in Goa, Purvatali Rai, and Ashramam is located in the Kollam district of Kerala. Okay, let's move on. Third question. Which of the following limit the productivity of aquatic habitats, right? So I've taken lectures about it, about aquatic and marine habitats, ecosystem, everything. So you should be able to answer this question. One of the easiest question I could say, I would say. So which of the following limit the productivity of aquatic habitats? Option given are transparency, temperature, dissolved oxygen, sunlight, right? So which of these are correct, which limit the productivity? Your options are 1 and 2 only limits, or 1 and 3 only limits, or 2 3 4, or all of the above, limit the productivity of aquatic habitats. Answer is D, all of the above, right? So the factors that limit the productivity of habitats, these are sunlight, right? Because the penetration, it all depends upon that, how much sunlight it is able to penetrate. Then there is dissolved oxygen as well. Then there is transparency, and how dissolved oxygen plays role into this, right? That is also very widely I have explained. So please go through those videos. Then transparency, it affects the extent of light penetration, the sunlight penetration. Then there is temperature, because marine animals, aquatic organisms, um, they are very narrow tolerance limit when it comes to temperature, and also they're used to one temperature. If there is sudden shift in the temperature, those aquatic organisms will be drastically affected. Let's move on to the fourth question. So consider the following statements regarding International Energy Agency, right? IEA. So the statement given is, it was established in the wake of oil crisis of 1973-74, and then it was established as per framework of OPEC, right? So you have to tell which of the options given are, which of the statements are correct. So 1 and 2 only, or neither 1 and 2, or either one, or the D is either 2. So please answer this question. Answer is actually C. C is 1 only, right? Now let's see how. So this this International Energy Agency was actually established in 1974 as a framework of OECD, right? That's why the second statement is wrong, not OPEC, OECD, right? And then IEA is an autonomous intergovernmental organization. Please remember this as well. And this was established in the wake of 1973-74 oil crisis. So the first statement is right. It was to help its countries to respond to the major oil supply disruptions, right? Sometimes it happens, wars, so many other reasons. That's the supply gets disrupted. So in order to make sure that supply is smooth, this was formed. Then it has 30 members, and IEA family also include 8 association countries as well. And the candidate country actually should be the member of OECD. In order to become the member of IEA family, it should become the member of OECD also. So India has become associate member of IEA in March 2007. And then it has also signed one of the pacts in strategic partnership with IEA. And India has been recently as you can see, you can read an article in Hindu, from Hindu here, that India was invited to become full-time IEA member, and in order to become that, India has to become the member of OECD as well, right? So that's why you should read further, and you can read about it even more, right? Now let's move on to the fifth question. So osmotrophs are referred to as. So what are these osmotrophs, right? So there, you have to tell the synonyms of from one of these options: phagotrophs, autotrophs, saprotrophs, or heterotrophs. So those who have studied Shankar IAS thoroughly, especially the starting chapters, so it is in those chapters which is given very clearly about all this. So you have to you have to read all these standard books properly. Or go through the lectures by Vysh IAS channel. So please answer this question. Let's see the answer now. So answer is C. The micro consumers, or the saprotrophs, which are also known as decomposers, are also known as osmotrophs. So please remember these names, very important. So these are bacteria or fungi which obtain energy and nutrients by decomposing the dead organic substances, right, of plant or animal, any organic substance. So they feed upon the decomposing matter. And then there is primary producers. Their names are autotrophs, because they are self nourishing. They eat, I mean, they make their own food, so they are primary producers. And which include, green plants, bacteria, algae, also some of the bacteria and algae as well. Then consumers, uh, they are also known as heterotrophs, phagotrophs, right? So these names you should be knowing, because consumers are incapable of producing their own food. So, with this, we have come an end to this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. And tomorrow, again, there will be 5 MCQs from another subject, another faculty, and hope you will watch those also. And please, do not forget to like and share these videos and comment as well. Thank you so much.